Hello, it's Connie and Nubbins. The two best. We play Minecraft, so my you see Nubbins. We play Weird Place.
I don't play Weird Place anymore. I play OmegaRealm.com.
You just suck.
No, what? You can buy plots on Omega Realm, but you can't on Weird Place.
Yes, you can. You just never bought a plot on Weird Place.
Yeah, I know, but it's easier.
Oh, and I am CJG from Weird Place.
And look at my shirt.
Yeah, I didn't wear my Minecraft shirt. I have a different one.
Yeah. You can get one like mine.
Yeah, I got a different one.
Where'd you get yours?
Kohl's.
I got mine at Kohl's too.
Now, we're going to do an awesome video.
Okay, now, let's start. You say I'm sexy, and I'll say I'm sexy. You say sexy, I say sexy.
Okay, we're going to begin.
No. Okay, oh wait, okay.
Whoa, hi, people.
I'm sexy.
Wait,
No.
I'm saying hi to people.
Ah!
Okay, we're going to restart this. Help me. Okay. And let's begin now.
Bro, we're down here. Stop walking. Stop walking, bro. Okay, just hold it there.
Okay.
Just a little lower. I'm sexy and I know it. And I'm not afraid to show it. Oh, yes, I am not! You want to see my underwear?
No, Nebs. I don't want to see your underwear.
Fine. Okay, put
We
it
play
back on me.
Minecraft a lot.
My turn.
Well, I play Minecraft a lot. Yeah, I have this Hunger Game server, and I fell. He crushed
I threw you by accident. So now Connie's gonna do his thing.
Okay, go over to that corner.
Okay. Is it good? Is the camera good?
No.
A little lower?
And I know it. Yeah, I'm sexy. I'm sexy.
And come on OmegaRealm.com!
Let's go to Weird Place. Run!
Yeah. Come on, Weird
If you
Place.
see me, my username's CJG.
You mean
2000 something. I don't know.
you mean Minecraft.
Yeah, Minecraft CJG.
And my name is Nevins. So play OmegaRealm.
No.
I don't know its IP though. The IP for OmegaRealm is OmegaRealm.com if you care to join.
Yeah, just go on servers and look at them.
Yeah.
Just look up on servers.
Well, I'm usually on there.
I'm usually on Weird Place.
Just TP to me if you're a fan. TPA.
TPA to me.
I'm always in creative mode.
I'm not. How do you get on creative mode?
It's a portal.